chatted about Calvin Klein, Roberto Cavalli, Chanel, Christian Dior and everything like that. On the fourth day of the Lakme Fashion Week, our girls endorsed Devil Wears Prada, and how?
The girls were out to have some fun. In the midst of beautiful clothes, some music and glamour, there was chatter non-stop between the women who make Bollywood go round. Priyanka Chopra, Rani Mukherjee, Preity Zinta, Urmila Matondkar, Amisha Patel and Samira Reddy. They had all come out for that one big party, a fashion show by Manish Malhotra. And yes, it was nice to see. No competition, but ample bonding over the one thing that often makes women come together: beautiful clothes.
Well, with Manish, it's always something new. And I want to just know that how after so many years does he manage to do that every single time?
We were really screaming and shouting because the clothes were really very wearable. And I think you'll be seeing a lot of us, the girls who've come today, wearing Manish's this collection.
I loved all of Manish's clothes. The Indian collection was fabulous.
Surprisingly, the guy stuff was really nice. There was one pair of pants which these guys were wearing, and I really like those. I think I want them for me. The salwars and the harem pants was the best stuff, because the harem pants are always very sexy.
Rani and Preeti took the opportunity to another level, taking time out to even pose for photographs together. Star attraction for any show means great publicity for the designer, but Priyanka Chopra probably described it the best.
I have lots of fashion faux pas, and it's because I'm not very into fashion. That's why I need Manish Malhotra more than he needs me.
So now we know why these women can't get enough of this designer. With Rashma Shetty in Mumbai, Vibha Sharma, headlines today.
And all that looks pretty also involves a lot of hard work and effort, and often things go very wrong. Clothes dropping, stiletto scrolling, accessories falling, but you cannot slouch. So what do you do when you are a star? Well, we asked our stars how to quick fix a fashion faux pas.
Have you ever had a fashion faux pas and how did you try and fix it up?
I don't think about it. What is behind is not important. आगे क्या है? आगे की सोचनी चाहिए.
What about you? Yeah, neither do I. I'm going to stick with his answer. Yeah. See, like I said, I wear stuff that I'm comfortable in, and nothing like that has happened to me, touch wood.
I've had fashion faux pas almost every day. I have lots of fashion faux pas, and it's because I'm not very into fashion. That's why I need Manish Malhotra more than he needs me.
I think my fashion faux pas I couldn't cover. It was like my blonde hair. I don't know. I think that was really, I don't know. I got confusing remarks about that. Some people thought it was good. Some people thought it looked so good. But that was something I couldn't cover because I couldn't be roaming around with a scarf on my head. You know?
If I told you, then you would know. So I'm not going to tell you anything.
I've not actually. I've been very careful.
Touchwood so far? No, not really. Have you seen me, anyone?
Last time I was walking in, I think Rocky S's collection. We just had a show for one of the designers, and I was just struggling because it was so heavy, and I didn't even practice walking. So yes, at that time I just felt, oh my God, what is going to happen? I was like walking very slowly, trying to like lift my lehenga. So I think today it was a breeze.
I like very different kind of clothes, and I do not experiment too much with Indian because I feel I get a little frightened actually. So the max I would do is a churidar kurta or something like this. Something like this is like absolutely divine, and I've never ever tried it. I'm wondering why. No, never had it. Nothing like that. So,
She'll never have one now because we're going to be doing all her clothes.
that's nice. What about you? Have I had a fashion faux pas?
No, I don't remember having any of that stuff. But yeah, I mean, boys generally don't, no?
Even if it's a fashion faux pas, you can just carry it off and say, hey, listen, that's my style. So, yeah, it's cool.
All right, guys, that is the wrap here.